Welcome to the future of electric vehicle service in Fujairah. At DriveTech by FNCT Workshop, we combine advanced technology with professional service to deliver a seamless experience for every customer. Our commitment is simple: precision, reliability, and complete peace of mind. Our state-of-the-art workshop in Hayl, Fujairah, is fully equipped to handle the next generation of mobility. From electric cars to hybrid vehicles, we are ready to support every aspect of your vehicle's journey. As electric vehicles continue to transform the automotive industry, they demand a new level of skill and understanding. That's why our specialized EV engineers and certified technicians are trained to diagnose, maintain, and repair electric vehicles with the highest standards of accuracy. From high-voltage system diagnostics to battery health checks and performance optimization, from software-based troubleshooting to complex electrical and mechanical repairs, DriveTech delivers cutting-edge solutions designed specifically for modern vehicles. We don't just fix cars, we understand them. With advanced diagnostic tools, precision equipment, and a future-ready approach, we ensure your EV performs at its peak, efficiently, safely, and reliably. Whether it's routine maintenance or a complex issue, our team is ready to provide fast, transparent, and professional service every time. If you own an electric vehicle, your service partner matters more than ever. Visit us today and experience the difference of specialized EV care. For quick consultation and bookings, call us or reach out to us on WhatsApp. Our team is always ready to assist you. DriveTech by FNCT, driving the future of automotive service in Fujairah.